Google is finally listening to what Android fans have been asking for, something that iPhone users have enjoyed for years. If reports are true, the upcoming Google Pixel 10 will bring built-in magnets to the Pixel lineup for the very first time. This may sound like a small change, but it could completely transform how you charge and use your Pixel. For a long time, Pixel phones have supported wireless charging, but they've never had the magnetic support that Apple offers through MagSafe. If you own a Pixel 9 or earlier, you probably already know that using magnetic chargers or stands is tricky. You'd need a special case with magnets built in, and even then, the connection wasn't always reliable. But now, things are about to change. Reports suggest that the Google Pixel 10 will include support for the new QI 2.2 wireless charging standard, and it will also launch a brand new lineup of magnetic accessories called Pixelsnap. Yes, that's right. Google is making its own version of MagSafe accessories, and they're finally building the magnets directly into the phone. So, what exactly is Pixelsnap? So far, 3 accessories have been mentioned. Pixelsnap Charger, Pixelsnap Charger with Stand Pixelsnap Ring Stand. These sound very similar to Apple's MagSafe lineup. The Pixelsnap Charger is likely a flat magnetic wireless charger. The charger with stand could help you charge your phone while watching content at a comfortable angle. And the ring stand might be a grip that also works as a kickstand, great for holding your phone securely or setting it up for video calls. If these accessories work the way they're expected to, it means Pixel 10 users can finally enjoy the convenience that iPhone users already take for granted. Just snap your phone onto the charger, no more struggling to find the exact spot for wireless charging. The magnets will take care of that. Now let's talk a bit more about QI 2.2 wireless. Charging QI 2.2 is the newest update to the QI wireless charging standard. On paper, it can offer up to 60 watts of power, which would be extremely fast, but don't expect the Pixel 10 to charge that quickly. Google is known for taking a more careful and steady approach when it comes to battery charging speeds. It's more likely that they'll stick with safe, controlled charging rates, similar to what most premium Android phones are using today. The real advantage of QI 2.2 isn't just speed, it's alignment and stability. Thanks to the magnets, your phone will lock into place exactly where it needs to be for the most efficient wireless charging. No more waking up to a phone that didn't charge overnight because it slid off the pad. And while some Android phones already support QI 2 wireless charging, they often skip the magnets. That's what sets the Pixel 10 apart. According to reports from Android Authority, there's direct evidence connecting the new Pixelsnap accessories to the Pixel 10, which strongly suggests that Google is going all in and building the magnetic feature right into the phone itself. We expect Google to officially announce the Pixel 10 during its Made by Google event in August. This is when we'll likely hear more details about the Pixelsnap accessories, QI 2.2 support, and how the new magnets will be used in real life. It's worth mentioning that while Apple has offered MagSafe since 2020 and Samsung has quietly experimented with magnetic accessories, no Android brand has made a serious push for magnetic charging until now. Google stepping in with Pixelsnap and full QI 2 support could be the beginning of a more consistent and user-friendly experience across the entire Pixel ecosystem. In the end, it may seem like a small feature, but adding magnets could have a big impact on daily use. Whether it's quickly snapping your phone onto a charger, propping it up to watch videos, or attaching a magnetic ring grip for better handling, this move could finally give Pixel users the convenience and flexibility they've been missing. So, if you're a Pixel fan, the Pixel 10 might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for, not because it's faster or flashier, but because it brings simple improvements that make a big difference in your everyday life. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch in August. And let us know in the comments, are you excited for Pixelsnap and magnetic charging on the Pixel 10? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest updates on Google Pixel and more tech news.